What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is CJ Finley, and if this is your first time here, please consider hitting that subscribe button if you would love all the tips and tricks to help you thrive on life. Today's topic of discussion is going to be why I run and some reasons on why I believe that you should too. Reason number one is because running sucks. I'm not going to be the guy that's going to tell you to run with a smile on your face, because that's not the case for me. Every single day that I choose to run, it is just that. It's a choice. It's not something that I necessarily look forward to. I just know the benefits of it that it has on my life. And when I say it sucks, I mean that no matter how good you get at running, there's always this next level. So maybe to you, I might be fast, but to somebody else out there, I'm extremely slow. And even the fastest person in the world, the Olympians, they all have this next level that they could get to just by running. Now, because running sucks, it's going to create resilience within yourself, because when you're out on that path or wherever it is that you choose to run, you're going to be questioning in your mind, should I keep going? Every minute, every hour, every couple hours, you're going to have that voice in your head that tells you to stop. If you can break past that voice, it's going to build resilience within yourself, and that resilience is going to go far and beyond just that path that you're running on that day. It's going to show up in everyday life. So in your relationships, in your career, in the hardships that you go through throughout your entire lifetime, you can use running and the resilience you build when running in those various circumstances and experiences that you have. It's going to show up time and time again, and that's why it's the number one reason why I choose to run. Reason number two is because it gets you outside. It's going to get you off your phone, your laptop, all the screens, and any other noise that's going on within your own life. For me, it helps me get out of my own head and into my body and focus really on what is my external environment in that specific case. So when I'm running on a path, or I'm running on the street, or I'm running in the hills, I'm going to take in everything that is surrounding me. And this is especially true when I'm traveling. Running is a great way for you to see new places and meet new faces. And it's something that I like to do no matter what city I go to or what country that I'm going to go to in the future. I'm going to make sure that I get a run in and fully soak in all those experiences. So for you, I highly recommend adding running into your routine, because again, it's going to get you outside, get you off the screens. It'll help you get that vitamin D, get some fresh air, and really rejuvenate and recover. Even though you're going to be expending energy while you go on that run, afterwards, you're going to feel like a new human being. And every single time that you run, you're going to build that resiliency like we said in step one. And ultimately, you're going to add new visual experiences, physical experiences to your life that you're going to have throughout your lifetime to look back on. Reason number three of why I run is because it's free and you can do it with a community. I'm super community oriented, and I love to push myself and others around me in community environments, and running is one of those environments. We can all get together as a team, a squad, your friends, your family, and head out to a lake, a mountain, the streets of a city, and go for a quick run. It doesn't have to be that far. Afterwards, you could walk or meet up somewhere else. After the run, a lot of people do beer runs where they'll run and then they'll go grab a drink afterwards. Whatever floats your boat, that's really what you can do. I'm all about inspiring people to find new creative ways that doesn't cost them any money to get healthy, make new connections, have new experiences, and thrive on life. Those are the three main reasons why I run, and I encourage you to do the same thing. Obviously, there's going to be health benefits, athletic benefits, a ton of information out there that you can find elsewhere for reasons why you should run and how it's going to impact your health. But for me, the why is always about building resiliency, doing things that are going to get me outside, things that aren't going to cost me much in terms of money, but are going to add an extreme amount of value to my life and my community around me. After hearing the three reasons why I run, I hope that you take these into consideration and start moving your feet in the direction of getting outside and taking your first steps towards creating a running routine. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. What I would recommend is maybe doing 50 miles outside in a month. What that averages out to is just about 2 miles per day, or like what I like to do is one or two long runs a week and then a couple short runs, and then vice versa. You can choose, break it down however you want, but the easiest way to start building the habits and creating a routine is set a specific goal and hold yourself accountable to that goal. Also, if you do choose to take action on this and start running, feel free to tag me. I'd love to share your journey and all the steps that you are taking to live a happier and healthier life. Until next time, this is CJ Finley. Thrive on, y'all.